Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week's video is going to me, you guys. Here we go, getting tongue-tied. This week's video, slow down, Sable, is going to be me comparing the Coach Mini Rowan to the Coach Long Rowan Satchel. I absolutely love both of these bags, you guys. Like I've mentioned before in other videos, I can definitely understand the hype, like everything that the girlies have said about the Rowan is 100% correct. Yeah, I see. I love these bags. I do, you guys. But enough with me rambling. Before, of course, I get started with this week's video, I have to take the time to just thank everyone. Thank you a million times. Thank you. The likes, comments, you coming back for more. It is so greatly appreciated. But other than that, though, you guys, let's just go ahead and dive into this week's video of a comparison of the Coach Mini Rowan to the Coach Rowan Long Satchel. Okay, so let's just go ahead and dive right into it, you guys. The first bag that I do want to show first is the Long Rowan Satchel. I love this bag. Love it, love it, love it. You guys, the quality. This beautiful pebbled leather is just everything. Gold hardware. You already know, I love a good black bag. I love it. Coach did a really good job when they thought about this design because you know with the Rowan, there's 3 different sizes. You have the mini, well, maybe 4, because if we want to add like the mini Rowan like bag charm. So yeah, we've got the mini Rowan bag charm. We have the mini Rowan. Then we have just like the regular Rowan. I guess you could say the regular Rowan. And then you've got, well, then wait a minute, you guys. I guess that's more than 4 now that I'm thinking about it and calculating it in my head. Okay. Mini bag charm Rowan, the mini Rowan. Then we've got the long Rowan satchel, which has actually been discontinued. It's no longer in stock. Then you have like the regular sized Rowan, and then you have the large Rowan. So I think there were at one point in time 5 different Rowans, of course, excluding this one. But for whatever the reason, when I was on Coach's website, this bag just constantly just gravitated to me. And I don't know if it's just because of the structure of the bag, the shape of it. I don't know. This bag just kept calling my name, and I am so happy I got it before it sold out. I know it did originally come in 3 colors. It was the black, the maple, and I can't remember what that third color was, you guys. But you may be able to buy it maybe through like eBay or Poshmark, like the reselling websites. But love this bag. I love it. And it holds so much stuff. I've talked about this bag plenty of times before. I showed it earlier this year when I purchased it, but it just holds so much in here. There are so many things, and I can get so much more stuff in here if I really, really wanted to. And then, of course, you already know the main reason that Sable loves Coach handbags is because of the versatility of the way that you can wear the bag. And with that is the strap. And I find myself wearing this bag more often with the strap because I'm not really like a crossbody type wearing girl like when it comes to handbags, but I do find myself quite often having the strap on this bag, and sometimes I will carry it as like a top handle like so, but most of the time I do carry it like over my shoulder. So, And then just for like reference, it stops right about there, you guys. But yeah, so hang on. Yes. But I love this bag. Absolutely love it. Now, what I am going to do is just quickly take everything that's inside of my bag and just show you what all can fit in the mini one. So bear with me for just a few minutes, you guys. Let's see. Okay. So I have emptied out my Coach Rowan long satchel, and we are basically going to see what all that I had from inside of the Rowan long satchel that can fit inside of the mini. And the mini is just as cute. I've talked about this. This was like a recent purchase of mine. I absolutely loved it. Cannot believe. First of all, you guys, hold that thought. Let's just get into the fact that these Rowans are outlet, Coach outlet. Like, I'm still just trying to wrap my brain around the fact that a bag of this great quality is Coach outlet. Coach outlet. And I say Coach outlet because Coach outlet, it's so affordable. Coach retail, as we know, is way more expensive than Coach outlet, but the simple fact that these two handbags are Coach outlet. I mean, look at the difference, you guys, amongst the two. I mean, stunning. Let's give it up for Coach. Seriously, you guys. But moving right along with the video, because I don't want to drag this out, this beautiful Coach Mini Rowan. Stunning. Just as stunning as the long Rowan Satchel. Now, there is a difference as far as like the quality. With the long Rowan Satchel, this quality material is the pebbled leather, whereas the Mini Rowan, it's like this more like grainy, like refined type kind of leather, but it's still stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning with the gold hardware. It's everything. So let's just go ahead, open it up, and see what we can fit inside. So I have a hand sanitizer I'm going to put in there. I have an ink pen that I'm going to put in there. I have 2 lip products that I'm going to put in there. I have some mints. You already know Sable cannot, I cannot bear the fact of me having bad breath. Like, I just can't. I have a pack of gum. Actually, make that 2 packs of gum. You guys, I'm so serious. I am so serious when I tell you, like, I try my best not to have stinky breath, you know, especially being at work and like speaking to someone. I don't need anybody to smell my breath. And then I have my little card holder, and I've got keys. I've got another ink pen. I had like a feminine product, you guys, but I'm not going to put that in there. I'm just not. Even though I'm pretty sure it probably could fit in here, but I'm not going to put it in there. And then I've also got like a mini brush as well. Look at all of this stuff that is inside of this bag. I mean, look at that. That is a lot of stuff. Now, granted, if I took my time, because I am a stickler for taking my time and packing my handbags, I don't typically throw things in there, but just for the sake of the video, and because I don't want it to be long-winded and dragged out, I just kind of threw everything in there, but it closes with such great ease. So I was able to put all of those things in this bag. And I love like just the structure of the bag and how it holds up. And I can assure you my cell phone, I'm recording on it right now. I do have an iPhone Pro Max 15. I know it could fit in here. Like I said, all I would need to do is just rearrange things and take my time and pack everything nice and neatly. But I can assure you the length and the width of that phone could definitely fit in this bag. I love this bag. This is just so cutesy. It's just so freaking dainty. Like, oh my goodness. This fuchsia pink color, Coach did a magnificent job. This is what I mean by the color of pink when I think of pink. It's gorgeous. Like, I absolutely love it. And then, oh, you guys, I actually forgot. I actually had a couple of more things I wanted to add. This is like my little carry-all bag. You know, Sable, she loves a good carry-all bag. I typically buy these bags because this is also Coach Outlet. And then also, I don't know why I always draw a blank. So when it comes to naming this bag, but it's the Coach Nolita 19 bag. So I did actually transform it into like a wristlet. Like I say, I love Coach for the versatility. So where you could like carry it on your wrist like that. Or, you know, me purchasing it, it came, of course, with the strap being like that. But quickly just want to show you some other things that we could put in here. We have a miniature lotion. We have a Tide pen. We also have a Bath and Body Works perfume spray. We have toenail file clippers and whatnot. And we have an Alka-Seltzer. And I've got Tylenol in here, you guys, but it's kind of full at this point. But like I said, if I were to take my time and take everything out and arrange things to my liking, I can assure you the Tylenol can fit in here, or I can buy like a little miniature thing of Tylenol to put in here along with the cell phone. But just to give you another glance, this is everything in there. That's still a lot of stuff. And then look at how it closes. It closes with ease. There's no bulging or indentions or anything. I mean, it closed so beautifully. And then to top it off, we do have the strap. We can easily put the strap on. And we are good to go. So we can carry it as a top handle. We can carry it on our shoulder. And we can even carry it crossbody. I absolutely love the mini Rowan. Once again, you guys, side by side comparison. Coach Rowan Long Satchel, Coach Mini Rowan. I still cannot get over the fact that these are Coach outlet bags. And they definitely mimic the Louis Vuitton. I am not fluent in the foreign designers, so please do not come for me in the comments, but it's definitely giving like Louis Vuitton. Of course, not with like the logo or such, but it's just the shapes of the bag. That's it, like the shape of the bag. But yes, you guys, still can't believe those were Coach outlet. But with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this week's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment. Now, as far as for the bags being in stock, you already know the Coach Rowan Long Satchel, it's no longer in stock, but I would definitely suggest that maybe check out like some of the reseller sites like Poshmark, eBay, sites like those. And as far as for the Coach Mini Rowan, I do think Coach Outlet has some of the mini Rowans on their website. I'm just not sure what color schemes they have, but I know for certain that fuchsia pink color, sadly, you guys, it too is sold out. But enough with me rambling. Once again, you guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and until next week, bye.